officials and the voters of his constituency. Whereas I strongly condemn the decision of the Digambar Kamath Margam MLA. He has not shown any interest in the voters and the people of Margam. Last 5 years, we are not there in municipality. This Margam was supposed to be called as Margam municipality. Now, we don't get a chance here to enter as a chairman. This is where somewhere he is lacking. He doesn't have that vision to bring, as Margam was supposed to be the first in Goa through Portuguese era. He has brought that to down. No development. He should have shown more interest than in Fathoda. His interest shows that he is not at all interested. So, we the Margamkars, we the voters of Margam has to think, has to ask him the question why there was no Margam first this time. I was a candidate, I am the most experienced candidate. I got third time elected from 3 different places. I have come to understood that he has not given the proposal to Vijay Sardesai for demanding the first for this Margam as a chairperson. Because of this, in future, I have to think twice about remaining with him or support with him. So first he has to answer to the people of Margam and answer to me also why I was not considered. If he says all the time, Vijay Sardesai has got a problem, Vijay Sardesai has got difficulties, and so he is demanding first. So I wanted to know what are the problems and difficulties he is facing. If it were possible, I would have accepted. I have something if he has got difficulty in that way, which I would have not been possible to help him. If that was the case, I would have been behind. But here, all the time he says that I could not have a meeting with Vijay Sardesai, my MLA says. But whereas I came to know he had all 3-4 time meetings. The last meeting, day before yesterday, that is on 25th, there was between Vijay Sardesai and Digambar Kamath, that is president. He could have called all the way from to me that to see that you just speak to Vijay Sardesai if he is not agreed. He has not done that. So I fully condemn. निषेध म्हणतात तसं निषेध करता त्याच्या डिसिजनाचेर आणि ह्या फुडें मडगांवकारांनी ताका प्रश्न विचारपाची गरज आसा. Why I was not considered? I got my clean slate. My slate, party म्हणटा ती clean. I don't have any cases, no charges, nothing is there. I had been twice before. This is the third time. Nobody has got right. Let anybody show that you are here, you are involved in such a scale. I resign tomorrow. My slate is clear. And such a person of Margam is not, why not is being selected? That answer has to be given by the MLA. I will, all further action, all further decisions, I will consult to my people. Everybody is asking me, every step people are asking me why you have not been accepted, why you have not been considered.
Will you stick to Digambar Kamath?
And I speak not less than 10 times.
Will you stick to Digambar Kamath, or you
No,
will?
from your media only, I have told him that I am going to speak to press today. Right.
Now, today, from today, will you be part of that, or will you be part of it?
I am now, right now, I am a part of Margam now. I have to speak to him. I have to speak to the people of Margam. He has to also tell to the people, he has to tell me why I was not considered for this position.
When you had joined the panel, have you told him that that chairperson should be
No, not at the time of contesting. After election.
After getting elected?
After getting elected, I saw that all 25 councillors who are elected. I thought that I should be the first among them. But he has to move. I cannot go and tell Vijay that I am interested. He has to go and tell Vijay, this time I am interested. Last 5 years you took it. Now it is my turn. You allow me.
सो ॲक्शन काय आसपाना तुगेली
Action I have to take.
की मुल्ला
Speak
के
to the
दौड़
workers.
हाँ.
I'll speak to him also. What he thinks about me.
For example,
आता गेल ना न्ही तुका
will this have any bearing on the stability of the
No, not at all. I congratulated him. I am not a parcel of any coupling game, anything. If I want, I can start it from tomorrow. But I don't want to be part because the person who sits there has to work. And he has promised, my promise also was the same. He has promised that he will fight the corruption. There are rampant corruption here. The first meeting you will come to know, first council meeting. In future, all the council meetings, every day, I will be coming with the new scheme. This CO, this technical section, all has to be suspended and sent home. This much proof I have got.
द प्रेझेंट सी ओ यू
Present Shiva also I am talking about. He is part and parcel of the corruption. There is one JE here. He speaks with lakh of rupees, not thousands.
सो यू आर गोइंग टू फाइल अ केस
I am trying, and after the council election, I may file the FIR also. I will give the matter to vigilance also. And I pressurize my chairperson to sack these people.
What do you want to say on the formula of the Margaon Civic that they have shared the chairperson for 15 months?
See, during formation of the council and election, we were all together, we spoke to each other. But while selecting the candidate, our MLA doesn't want to speak us. He doesn't want to give himself.
Even about the formula, you have not taken.
No, nobody has taken us to confidence. Even the election to the vice chairperson, he has not taken into confidence to anybody.
No, there were reports that Vijay was in favor of your becoming a
See, Vijay may be in favor of me, which we did set and decided anything. There are not Vijay, the whole Margaon is in my favor. But who has to take me further? Somebody has to take me to the water, no, so that I can drink it. My MLA runs away. He says that I have no discussion with.
Now, there were reports that Vijay have told their MLA, his MLA, Soda Forward, that we should have, Margaon will get the chairpersonship, wherein Ganesham will be, and they are what we agreed there.
No, see, it is between them. They have my MLA. I have to blame my MLA.
Yeah.
He has done his duty. He says that it is Margaon first, Pathoda first. He has done it. What about the Margaon first? From era of Portuguese, this is first. Everything has happened from Margaon.
Yeah.
All, everything.
After 15 months, if it tells you.
No, see, let him give to anybody. But you take me into consideration. If you say that Vijay is objecting, if you say that Vijay has got a difficulty, if you say that Vijay has a problem, you take me into confidence and tell. Let Vijay tell me this is why I want. This is the reason.
After 15 months, you can tell.
No, that is to be seen.
See, Mr. Shirodkar, now election, so don't time chairperson.
Or don't can you know everybody chairperson.
एक्सपिरियन्स तो आम्ही अशें गृहीत धरपाक शकता की टायम पडल्यार एक 8-10 महिन्यांनी असेंब्ली इलेक्शन यू कॅन बी कॅन्डिडेट ऑफ मारगांव.
No, that I have not reached to that extent. Let us speak. Let the people of Margaon ask him why I was not considered. What are the issues? Why I am behind?
विधानसभेत लढपाची बीन इच्छा आहा तुमची?
ना म्हणजे अजून तरी कसलीच इच्छा ना आणि म्हाका कोणूच एप्रोच जावं ना हे कामा खातीर. ओके थँक्यू.
नो नो नो